Ever wondered what happens behind the scenes after you've successfully launched your business with the help of a registered agent service? You've filed your LLC, you're officially in business, and you're riding high on that entrepreneurial wave. But then, as the first year draws to a close, a new notification pops up. Time to renew your registered agent service. For many, this might spark a moment of confusion or even dread. Is it really necessary? What are the implications if you don't? And why does it feel like just another administrative hurdle in the never-ending race of business ownership? Well, let's pull back the curtain on something crucial to your business's longevity and compliance. The Northwest Registered Agent Renewal Service. It's not just about paying another fee. It's about maintaining the legal backbone of your enterprise, ensuring your privacy, and having a reliable partner in your corner. Think of your registered agent as your business's silent, vigilant guardian, always there to receive critical legal and government correspondence, keeping you in good standing with the state and protecting your personal information from the public eye. When you initially set up your LLC or corporation, a registered agent is a mandatory requirement in every state. This agent, whether it's an individual or a professional service, must have a physical address in the state where your business is registered and be available during normal business hours to accept important documents. These documents can range from service of process, which means being served with a lawsuit, to official state communications, tax notices, and annual report reminders. Without a reliable registered agent, your business could miss critical deadlines, incur penalties, or even face administrative dissolution by the state. This is where a professional service like Northwest Registered Agent truly shines, and why their renewal service is so vital. Northwest Registered Agent is known for its privacy by default approach. This means they prioritize keeping your personal information off public records. When you use their service, their business address is listed on your public filings instead of your own. This isn't just a convenience. It's a significant privacy shield in an increasingly transparent world. Renewing with them ensures this critical layer of privacy remains intact year after year. Imagine the alternative: having your home address listed on public databases, making you vulnerable to unwanted solicitations or worse. Northwest's renewal service is your continued protection against this. Beyond privacy, consistency is key. Business regulations and compliance requirements can be complex and vary significantly from state to state. Missing a filing deadline for an annual report, for instance, can lead to late fees, loss of good standing, and in severe cases, the inability to operate legally. Northwest Registered Agents Renewal Service isn't just a transactional renewal. It's a continuation of their proactive compliance management. They monitor your state's requirements, track important deadlines, and send you timely reminders, often even preparing and filing your annual reports for an additional, transparent fee. This worry-free compliance ensures you stay on the right side of the law without having to constantly decipher state statutes yourself. Their pricing model for renewals is also transparent. After the initial year, which often includes free registered agent service if they formed your business, the annual fee for their registered agent service is typically $125 per year. If you operate in multiple states, this fee can drop to $100 per state for 5 or more states. What's refreshing is their commitment to no hidden fees or sudden price increases. This consistency allows for predictable budgeting, a breath of fresh air in a landscape where some competitors might lure you in with low initial rates only to hike them significantly upon renewal. Customer support, or as Northwest calls them, their corporate guides, is another standout reason to maintain your service. These aren't just call center representatives reading from a script. They are knowledgeable, experienced professionals who can provide genuine guidance on a wide range of business matters, from understanding complex state rules to navigating ongoing compliance issues. Renewing your service means you retain access to this invaluable resource, a dedicated team ready to answer your questions and help you through any bureaucratic maze your business might encounter. This personalized support is a significant benefit, especially for small business owners who often wear many hats and need reliable expertise at their fingertips. Think about what happens if you don't renew your registered agent service. The state will still try to reach your business. If they can't because your registered agent relationship has terminated, you could face penalties. Your business might fall out of good standing, making it difficult to open bank accounts, apply for loans, or expand into new states. In the worst-case scenario, your business could be administratively dissolved, effectively shutting you down until you rectify the situation, which often involves hefty fees and a complicated reinstatement process. The nominal annual fee for renewal with Northwest Registered Agent is a small price to pay to avoid such disruptions and ensure the continuous, smooth operation of your business. Furthermore, Northwest Registered Agent offers additional services that become seamlessly integrated when you renew your core registered agent service. These can include mail forwarding, which allows them to receive and scan all your business mail, not just legal documents, and even business identity services like a free domain name for a year, website hosting, and business email. These add-ons, often available at discounted rates for existing clients, can streamline your operations and centralize your business services, all under one trusted provider that emphasizes data privacy. In essence, the Northwest Registered Agent Renewal Service is far more than a simple transaction. It's a strategic decision to maintain compliance, protect your privacy, access expert support, and ensure the uninterrupted functionality of your business. It's an investment in peace of mind, allowing you to focus on what you do best, growing your enterprise. Don't let your business fall into the trap of non-compliance. Embrace the proactive, protective, and professional service that Northwest Registered Agent consistently delivers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.